ciothe cia kimabururi ni iracokererie hwai wa ira guku bururi-ini. Team ino irahotiire kumathiira bururi ngoga ikumi, ithatu ciiri cia thahabu, ithatu cigatuika cia silver na inya cirari cia bronze, kuria maraikorirwo makiandikithia namba ithano kimabururi na nembe imwe gitaru-ini kia Africa. No ona gutarie uguo, komiti iria ikirugamirire kana komiti ya bunge iria irugamirire mathako ni komithetie na njira nene uhuthiri muru wa mbeca, na ningi ni ariririe uhoro wigi uria athaki maraikorirwo makirumbuiyo.
This is a big motivation, you know. I still want to push myself to empower young girls out there to know that everything is possible in life.
I think bado sijamaliza season. Niko na Brussels Diamond League 400 meters, then nimalizie Eugene, from there nirudi nianze kujipangia Paris next year.
Is that we have realized that they need more training, and therefore we are now encouraging ourselves to put more funding on issues of training. When you look at what they did this time as a group, it is very motivating. I found a very motivated group. I found a group that is want to win for Kenya, a group that, you know, speaks to itself, and therefore as government we are very proud of them. We are very proud of you. You've hoisted our flag very high, and we'll continue giving that support.
Society. It is the same, the people, the same individuals who are complaining that the president is not fighting corruption. When the president comes out strongly to show the political goodwill of fight against corruption, provide the full details of contracts signed between the Ministry of Sports, Athletics Kenya and Nike, and McHugh, the Minister of Sports, on several occasions, and I want you to examine those photos he takes. He normally wears shoes of Adidas, yet we have a contract of Nike, and the contract between Athletics Kenya and Olympic Committee of Kenya. Number 4, expound on the training kits and grants donated by various international partners to Athletics Kenya and how it was distributed to various training levels in Kenya and the teams traveling for various competitions.
Na tugithie na mbere aricera-ini ria thiku ya kana ithu